to my life. Back there, that's my son. That's my son driving his car, and he was making so much noise. Emanuele, Emanuele, ligolo ikhale lichota phosho ngapho thi. Ah, ligolo likuta saphosho. No, look at the saphosho. That car is making. Please no. No. Ah, Jabu. Oh my God, Terence. How are you? Wow. I don't know when was the last time I saw. When was the last time we spoke? Oh my God. Oh my God. How are you? Jesus. How are you? What? That was such a nice surprise. Emanuele. Emanuele. The noise, it's not giving sham. Please. But niko diamba. Niko rasa. Niko rasa. The passage na ringa virgo nifa. I think even the passage. Kids are so dramatic, and my son is not a section to the drama. Like in about an hour or so, we will be starting our homeschooling, and yeah, it won't be easy. I just know, because now he's in the playing spirit, and within 30 minutes or so he needs to be bathed. Crazy. This hand needs to be fixed. So he's saying he's going to the passage, but he's coming back. No, Zwivhuya. What is this? Why am I getting companies now coming to inboxes, and why do they do our inboxes to bombard us? Emmanuel, please. We ikorasa. Give me some grand enough for like I need this grand the yo the you know, my daughter is learning to stand up, and she was literally it is learning to stand up. Hi, hello. I'm just gonna say hello. How are you? Um, yeah, we're still getting into today's topic. Yeah, basically, in the meantime, you are allowed to ask any question that you feel like you want to ask me personally. If it's within me, how am I? I am hard. I am hard. It's very hot here. It's very hot, guys. It is so hot. And I don't have how do they call them? An air conditioner. And thank you. Thank you so much. So I don't have an air conditioner, and I can't open the windows, because if I open the windows, the mosquitoes will be coming in. So I just have to be slow cooked inside of the house. It's currently we're about to approach summer, spring here in South Africa, but the seasons are more or less blended together, if that makes sense. So it's really tough. It's really tough. We are slowly but surely being cooked. Thank you for calling me cute. Yeah, I'm also allowed to be a blushing mom. Yeah, to be blush. Yeah, blushing. It feels nice to be called cute. Yeah, I missed such a word. I think ever since I got a chance or an opportunity to be somebody who's grown, it it went from you cute to you beautiful to you're gorgeous. So being called cute is something that hasn't happened. Oh, my daughter is learning how to stand up, guys. You know, she's 7 months, and it's a miracle. Lily, what's her name, baby girl? Do you want to come and say hi? And the heat is also marinating her. So, and babies, one thing I've observed is that they're very much prone to the heat. She even has this I don't know what you call them, heat pimples. She has them here on her neck. Lily, should I come with you? Should I? So let me go and pick up the baby. I think she's gonna join us on the live. So she's gonna join us. Gumbar. Oh yes. She will know that. Oh God. What are you gonna wear, my girl? What are you gonna wear? Bye. Let's dress you up in this. Bye. It's very hot. Hey, what is that? Yeah, I'm trying to dress you up so that you can go. Yeah, Emmanuel. You make noise, Jim. Go outside. Go outside. Yeah, little kwambara. Oh, phew. Come and say hi, Lily. Hello, I'm back. Say hi. Mwah. Yo, the way it is so hot, ne? The way it is so hot. The hotness. So say hello. Say, my name is Lily. Sit down and say hi. No. Yo, Lily, are we guessing today? Say hi. Hello. Oh my God. you know, Lily, Randa. Why they? Why? Why? Why would you do that? Those who have been to my lives, can you believe that she's this girl now? Those who have been members of the family, look at her. Look how grown this girl is. You see the rush that I was talking about. You see? It is so bad. And the sweat, the amount of sweating that she goes through. Mm, mm, mm. This month, or did I say last month? She had so many milestones. Lily, what gaan? Yeah, even the head is starting to have those pimples. What gaan, Miguel? What touching you? My sister is making noise. Too much, too much noise. To be precise. Oh, what? Somebody's. Oh, bad. Right now, let's talk. Let's talk, guys. Let's have a decent question. Yeah. Does anyone have a question? A question for me? I've been struggling honestly with creating content because the type of content that I used to create, I felt like it was opening some things that whew, I was not into, things that made me feel really uncomfortable. Yeah. So, and honestly speaking, um, content creation will burn you out. I don't want to lie. It will burn you out. So I felt like with me, that's exactly what was happening. Whew, this thing. I felt like with me, that's exactly what was happening. I felt like I was burning out. And it felt like every moment I couldn't enjoy every moment with my kids because I had to be like filming and stuff. But with live videos, I could enjoy. I could actually be like, Manuel, let's do our homeschooling videos, and then I'll be busy homeschooling my son, and then at the same time, you guys will be watching how we interact. Baby girl, when I dramatic. Hmm? No, what do you love one? Let's start there. Name petrol, different one. I don't know what's wrong. I could only guess. It's this one. Say hi. No, I don't know what you want, Shem.